Welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast, a simple, friendly place to learn AI one clear lesson at a time. Today's episode begins with a, kind of spooky question that comes from one of our listeners. So, let's jump right into listener questions.
Listen to questions.
This week's listener question comes from Craig. Craig asks, what are the chances of artificial intelligence going totally off the rails and getting rid, killing all of us? All right, well, that's certainly a good one. And honestly, a question a lot of people secretly wonder about. So let's break it down clearly, calmly, and in a way that doesn't freak anybody out, because the real answer is way less dramatic than the movies make it seem. Here's the simple truth. The chances of today's AI suddenly going off the rails and wiping out humanity are basically zero. Current AI, including tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, isn't alive, isn't self-aware, and doesn't have goals, emotions, or any desire to take action in the real world. It can't decide to do anything unless a human tells it to. It's more like a super-powered calculator than a sci-fi robot brain. Now, you do hear experts talking about AI risk, but they're not talking about killer robots. They're talking about long-term things like making sure future systems stay aligned with human values, putting good rules and safety standards in place, and preventing bad actors from misusing AI. Those are legitimate concerns, but they're slow-burn, policy-level issues, not end-of-the-world stuff. The real risks today are much more practical. Misinformation, scams, deepfakes, job changes, and people trusting AI too blindly. And the good news is, all of those are things we can manage with awareness, good habits, and basic AI literacy. So no, AI isn't plotting anything. It's not on the verge of taking over. And as long as we keep building it responsibly, the future of AI is much more opportunity than danger. Okay, with that in mind, here's something related we can chat about in today's Hot Tip section.
AI Hot Tip.
This week's AI Hot Tip. Don't fear AI, fact-check it. One of the biggest risks with AI isn't that it's going to take over. It's that people trust it too much. AI can sound confident even when it's completely wrong. So here's the tip. Whenever AI gives you an answer, especially something important, treat it like a very smart intern. Helpful, fast, but needs supervision. Double-check anything. Medical, financial, legal, or anything that seems too perfect. If something feels off, ask AI to show its sources or to explain its reasoning. Use AI as a partner, not a prophet, and you'll stay safe, accurate, and way ahead of everyone else.
Optimistic AI thought of the week.
Here's your optimistic thought for the week. AI isn't here to replace or kill humanity. It's here to amplify it. And this isn't the first time we've faced a big, scary-sounding breakthrough. When electricity was introduced, people were terrified. Newspapers warned it would burn down cities or electrocute entire neighborhoods. Today, we can't imagine life without it. When the automobile arrived, critics called it dangerous, loud, and unnecessary. Some said horses were safer and would always be faster. Now, cars drive us across countries, deliver our groceries, and keep our world moving. And during the Industrial Revolution, millions of people left farming and shifted into factories and new industries. It was disruptive, absolutely, but it led to better wages, better living conditions, and technologies that transformed everyday life. Every major leap in human history comes with fear at first, and every time, humanity adapts, grows, and becomes even more capable. AI is the same story. For every task it changes, it opens new doors. For every skill it automates, it creates new opportunities. And for every fear, there's an equal, if not greater, chance for progress. You're early. You're learning. You're ahead of the curve. And the future isn't about machines taking over. It's about people empowered by tools that help them do their best work. That's something to feel really good about. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.